Hi, I'm Nikhil and welcome to new gadget review from technary.com. Are you looking for stylish wireless Bluetooth earbuds which can be great for calling and to enjoy music? Well, then let us have a look at Bolt Audio A-Base XPods. Recently, we used these XPods for a week and sharing our review and experience with it. So let's talk about some specifications of this device. So it is having touch controls. These are true wireless. It is having deep bass. These are water resistant. There's also a inbuilt microphone. These are having Bluetooth 5.1. Bluetooth range is 10 meters. Weight is 100 gram and dimensions are 54.26 by 45.08 by 22.3 millimeters. So we have done the unboxing. So here is the warranty card. So you get 1 year of warranty. This device is also having voice assistant which is enabled. It is having 13mm drivers. So this is the user manual. So you must have a read before using it. We will also tell you how to operate it. These exports are having a 20-hour massive battery life. So you also get a USB Type-C charging cable with the device. So the first thing you notice is the quality of the case. So it is very much compact and easy to carry. On the case you see the USB Type-C slot for fast charging. So this is the USB Type-C slot. It is having a cool design. There's also mentioned L and R symbols for the left and right earbuds which will show you, and you can keep them in the case after use and they charge automatically. Overall super build quality, charging case has glossy finished look. So we have used this XPods. The sound is very deep and clear. XPods is able to deliver quality and deep bass. It has superb noise cancellation and you can enjoy music without any environmental noise. I personally like the bass as it delivers, especially when you enjoy music. There is smart finger touch controls as well. When you take out the earbuds from the case, they automatically turn on and pair with each other. These earbuds automatically turn off and enter charging mode when they are placed in the case. You can easily pair it with your smartphone, laptop, tablet with ease. You can use with both Android and iOS devices to connect to these XPods. When you put the earbuds into the charging case, they will be charged automatically. There's an interesting factor which showcases the battery percentage. When the LED indicator light flashes once, then the battery status is 0 to 25%. When it flashes twice, then it's 26 to 50%. And when it flashes thrice, it's 51 to 75%. And when it flashes 4 times, it's 76 to 99%. Whereas when the green light is on, then there's the battery status is 100%. Operating the earbuds is very easy, as while listening to music, when you double click, you can pause or play. When you long press left earbud for 2 seconds, then you can go to previous song. When you long press the right earbud for 2 seconds, then you can go to the next song. You can easily answer or end call by double click any earbud. To reject a call, you can long press any earbud. To activate Siri or Google Assistant, you can triple click either earbud. To adjust the volume, you can do it from your smartphone itself or from laptop if connected to laptop. So the functional operation is very easy. It takes only 1 hour to fully charge the case as well as the earbuds. It is able to deliver battery backup of 20 hours, which is amazing for sure. So this is a loaded complete full package of earbuds with minimum cost worth buying it. Very good device in this price range. I like the device and the base of these exports. Although these exports are having an MRP of rupees 4999, you will get amazing discount and you will get it for just 899 rupees if you check out the link in the description below. So if you want to purchase it, do it right away by clicking on the link in the description below. If you have any queries, do comment below. Kindly like the video. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and put bell notifications on to get the latest video updates from our side. Keep visiting our website, which is technary.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead.